Welcome everybody. I am Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. Today we are going to see the installation, demo, import and fully customization of ColorMag, most popular magazine WordPress theme of all time. Supports WooCommerce, Gutenberg and Elementor Ready. So let's explore the theme. This theme is provided by ThemeBrill by free of charge. So let's see its demonstrations. When you click the demos, there are several demonstrations. Those are free and pro. So let's explore the free version. In the top header bar, it will display the current date and latest news and also the social media icons. Then it will display the logo and the advertisement banner on the top. And next to that, you can have the menu lines from home. Then categorically it displays the news items, and then it will give the featured news items and the slider. So then it will display the categorically each news item, health, fashion, and all the things categorically will be displayed. And on the right side, it will be displayed the latest and featured newses. In between, you can also display your Google AdSense advertisements and also the any other sponsored ads. And also it have the footer. It will display also some advertisements also. So let's explore each of these menus. So when you click the sports menu, it will display the item like this. Let's download the theme. The download link is displayed in the description. So when you click that download link, it will bring to this page. So there are pro versions. Now we are going to download the free version. So you can click this item, and it's just a 1.82 MB size file. So you can download the file. Once you download it, you can go to the WordPress dashboard, then click appearance, theme, and click add new and upload themes. Then click choose file, then add the file you have downloaded and open it. So now click install now. For a few seconds it will install and you can activate the theme. Once you activate it, you have to import the demo data. So let's click the demo importer and select the theme you have selected. So the first one is the selected one. So then click import, then click confirm. And please note, sometimes this theme might not import the data because there should be some settings to be changed. So right click that, try this solution. And you have to confirm whether you have maximum execution time 360, memory limit 256 MB, and post max size is 32 M. So you have to confirm whether these settings are done. So then you can try again. So it will automatically install the demo data. Once it's done, it will show live preview. So when you click the live preview, it will go to your website and will display the theme with demo data. Hi, let's fully customize ColorMag theme with our contents. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the front page of the website and click customize. Once you click, it will open the edit menu. So first we can customize the first bar, that is the date, current date and latest news part. So just click the arrow and you can activate, display or disable the item. And also the breaking news you can display or disable. So it's very easy to activate or disable. Then if you want to customize the social media icons, just click the arrow there and you can enable or disable the social media icons. You can enable or disable header or footer social media icons. And you can give the link to each social media icon. For example, if you select Facebook, you can copy paste your Facebook URL there. Similarly, Twitter, Google Plus, Instagram, Pinterest. Let's change Colorback logo with our one. Click the indicator and click change logo. Then you can select the logo, preferred logo. You can upload the logo. Then it will ask crop image, so you just skip that. If the image size is big, you can use 150 by 150 pixel small image. Let's customize header advertisement banner. Click that indicator and you can see the banner advertisement here, and you can upload the different image if you want, and you can put a link, that is the clickable link. When the customers click the advertisement banner, they can go to the relevant website. Let's edit the menu bar. Once you click the first indicator, it will show you can enable or disable the home icon, and you can enable or disable the search icon, and you can enable or disable the random post icon, and you can enable the responsive menu style. So this menu style may be differ in the tab and mobile. So let's see how to change the menu items, enable or hide or interchange them. So for that you have to go to your dashboard and click appearance and then go to menus. Here it will display all the menus available in the home page or other pages. So select the primary menu. This is by default it is in primary. So here you can remove the unwanted menu items. So I just removed some unwanted menu items and I have saved the menu. And let's check. So just copy the web item and I paste there, and see the unnecessary menu items have been removed. So similarly, if you want to remove that layout items and other things, you can do the same procedure to others. And if you want to interchange the menu order, you can just drag and drop there. So I have moved the fashion to the number 1 position, so it already changed there. Let's see how to create a new menu item. Actually these menus are created as a post categories. So go to your dashboard and click post and categories. Here you can see the menu items as post categories. So if you want to create a new menu item, create a new post category. So I am creating as world news as a new category, and the slug name is the same. So I am adding the new category. Now go to the appearance and click menu. So now you can add world news category as a menu item. So click category and select world news here and add to menu. So now it is added in the menu. So it is in the bottom. So I just wanted to add in the second position. So I drag and drop in the second position below fashion and just save the menu. Now if refresh your website and see, now the world news menu is appeared. So just click the world news menu, but there's no post in the world news. If you click other menus, you can see there are posts. So how to create posts in the world news? So again go to the post and click all posts. Here you can create a new post, or else you can change the category of one of the post as world news. So I just click one post and I'm adding another category as world news. So here I am selecting the another category as world news and save. And I am selecting another news also and here also I am adding as world news and save. Then once I refresh the page of world news, it will display the selected news items. Let's edit post slider. Click the icon in the left side and you can see the featured category slider. Here you can select how many posts to be displayed. It's already 2, so I'm changing into 5. And also you can select whether you want to show the latest post or you want to show any category. So I'm just keeping as latest post and save. Next item is highlighted post, that is in the right side. So you can click that edit indicator and you can see there are 4 posts to be displayed. So don't change the 4 because the 4 is beautiful, and you can change the show latest post or you can change it for a particular category. So I am changing it to post from a category that is featured category. So I am displaying the features category, so you can check which posts are displayed as features. So if you want to highlight a particular post, you can select a category as featured and it will automatically display in the front page in the top bar. So this is how you can display important news items in the highlighted post category. So I am just changing one post as featured and I am updating. Home page, you can see the new featured post is appeared here. Let's edit each post categories. So first category displayed here is health, so I just click the edit indicator. So what I want here is, so my latest news should be displayed here rather than health. So I just changed the topic as latest news, the title changed as latest news, and the number of post display is 5, so I keeping that. So I just change the category so to latest post. So here my latest posts are displaying. Similarly, I want to edit the banner color matter in the news item also. So I just click that and change the image and also change the link as I explained earlier. So it's, you know how to do that. And the next thing is, so as I changed the health as latest news, here I want to change this news item as health category. So I just click that news edit there and I change the title as health. Now I want to display the news items related to health, so I just changing the number as 5 and I select the category here as health. So the posts which are categorized as health will be displayed here. Similarly, I can edit the other news categories as fashion, sports, so whatever way you can edit. Here another advertisement banner is there, so if you want you can edit that image, or else you can put your Google AdSense URL, or else you can remove that. Here is another interesting menu displayed in the page. So once you click that, it will show the title and the select menu. So how do you select this or edit this menu? You have to go to the dashboard and select appearance and click menus. As you edited earlier, their primary menu will be displayed. You just click other menu, that is premium to themes, and select. Here you can see the menu items there. So here you can add related websites or any other important links to your news page. Here you can edit the topic and edit the URL. So if you want to display some government websites, you just edit the title as the government website's name and put the URL, and you can add that menu. So that menu is added, so other websites, so you can edit or remove other menus displayed here and you can save. Then you go to your front page and refresh the website and see it will show the new menu you have added. So similarly you can change others. So if you don't want this, you can just remove that, and other advertisement banner also appearing. So if you don't want that advertisement banner, you just click that edit indicator and remove. So it's very simple. Let's come to the important part, that is footer editing. If you want to edit the about us, just click the edit indicator and it will open up the about us contents. So here you just want to add the clickable menu as your website's menu, so just remove the team grill link and put your website's URL. And also if you want to change the wordings of the about us, you just select that about us wordings and put your own wordings there. It's very simple. And similarly, if you do there are another menu item we already edited this appearing here. If you don't want to display that, you just remove it. And similarly another menu item is appearing, you just remove that if you don't want. And also there's another advertisement banner also appearing. So if you have Google AdSense link, you just put the link, or else you just remove the advertisement banner. So unnecessary context you just remove. If you want to keep the footer menu as simple, just remove the logo also. So now it's very simple footer menu. So if you want to edit footer social media icons as we done in the header menu, just click the edit icon and you can copy paste your URLs of Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube and other displayed social media. So the very important part is here, many people are struggling to do, is the copyright, removing the copyright of Colorbag. So how to do that? Go to appearance and click theme editor. So watch this part very carefully. Click theme editor, then clicks INC, then go down and click hooks, and there select footer.php. Scroll down there and go around 155th line where there's a copyright and color make footer displayed. So you just copy that area, and here I am displaying the code to be added. So you just copy that code and totally replace that 155th line with the code copied. Here the yourwebsite.com can be replaced with your website's name. So I just update that and I refresh that, and see here the copyright is displayed here with your website name. Let's edit contact us page with contact us form. To that, just click edit page, and here you can see the details displayed here. For the form, there's a code called Everest Form ID 287. Do not touch that code. So how to edit the form? So you have to go to the dashboard and select Everest Forms and select all forms. Our displayed form ID is 287. So select that one and click edit. So once you click edit, it will show the form items, name, email and other things. So if you want to change the name as first name and last name, you just drag and drop the general fields there. So I just put first name and put last name. So I want to remove the name, so just click the delete item there and it will be removed. Give OK. So an email and subjects and message also you have to keep as default. If you want to get telephone number, you just add the telephone number field. And this is the important part. Go to the settings and you have to change the receive email address. So all other things you just keep as default, and go to the form name is already given as contact us. So if you want to change, you can change. Then to address, you have to change with your one. If you use a web address like info@webias.com, I just put that name. And also from name, for displaying purpose, you just change this as Webias or my website or my new site or the new site's name, you just put there. And also from address, also better remove that one and put your address as info@webias.com. and other things you just keep as default and save the form. So any customer send the mail, you will be received the mail in the displayed email address. Okay, now let's go to create another page with this items, menu item. So I want to create about us page. So how to create a new page called about us? Let's see. For this, you have to install a plugin called Elementor. It is very easy to create page with Elementor. So just click plugins and click add new, and in the search bar you just type Elementor and it will display Elementor. Just click install now, it will automatically install, and just activate the so click activate. So now we have activated Elementor. So how to create a page? So go to the menu and create pages, and click pages and click add new. So here you have to give a title to the page. So I am giving as about us. As like news pages, you just type the contents, but I want to create the page with Elementor. So I am click edit page with Elementor. So it will bring you to the Elementor page creator. So what I want to do is I want to import a template from Elementor. So it will be easy. So click the folder like thing and click pages. So it will display the pages. So I want to get a sample pages like about us. So search, I am searching as about us pages. So I want to get, so this one I prefer. So I just click insert. So the Elementor library providing free themes. So now I have installed this about us page, about us contents from Elementor here. So if you want to get more details regarding how to edit this page, please visit watch my Elementor tutorials. Once you publish the page, let's see, is it appearing in the menu bar? So refreshing the website, no, it's not appearing. What you have to do is you have to add in the menu. So go to the dashboard and click appearance and select menus. So here we have created a page. So don't need to go to the categories, go to the pages and select about us. It's already there, we have created with Elementor. So now it's added. So save the menu. Now go to the website, refresh it. Now you can see the about us page is appearing. If you need any clarifications, let us know in the comments box, and please subscribe our channel. If you want to demonstrate any other things, please let us know in the comments box also. Thank you very much.